All right, here I had a 2019 Kia Forte, and what I was having problems with these turn signals because of the sockets were missing, and also the wiring was missing on the driver's side. So I just wanted to make a quick video about the wiring and the socket, and if you buy them from like Amazon, like I did, because they didn't fit correctly. Um, Now this is your turn signal here, and there's like a couple of videos out there on how to just replace the bulb, and they're super good. But here I'm gonna show, like I said, someone cut off the wiring, so and took out the sockets, and I'm gonna show basically how the wiring goes. I'll show a schematic too. So on this side, on the driver's side, with the socket already installed, the bottom wire is the ground wire, the middle wire is the red wire, and then the top wire is the brown wire. All right. And here I took a picture of someone else's video, and it was kind of hard to see, but like I said, that was the orientation. All right. And then on the passenger side, I didn't get a picture of it with it installed, but this is how it looks. The middle one is the brown wire, and then you can just match it up to this, because I tried to find information on what the connector pins, but I couldn't find it. And so this is the aftermarket one that I got from Amazon, and these sockets are just too bulky and they won't fit in the OEM connectors. All right, so I got the different socket, which is a little more round, but it doesn't have those those bars on the outside of the socket. As you can see, this one is just all round all the way around, but they fit way better, and they actually go in where the other ones don't. And then this is the light bulb they're going to be using. I think the part number is 2357NA. It's supposed to be like an orange light bulb. I use this one because this is what I had. And the nubs, you see there's one higher than the other one. All right, and then as far as the connector, this is what it's supposed to look like. And the one that comes that it's supposed to be the OEM one, it's incorrect. They just always send like the wrong ones. And as you can see, it looks way more like the OEM one. And on the picture from Amazon, this is what it looks like, and it resembles it way more than whatever they try to give you. And this is off a Hyundai Elantra 2019-2020 apparently. All right, and this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it resembles the OEM one way better. And then this is what they try to send you here, which is, it just looks totally different. I ended up getting like 3 different sets, which either had the wrong connector or I had the wrong socket. And when you try to put them all together, they just didn't always fit. So what I ended up doing is I used the sockets from this kit, which ended up being this part number 921614D000, which comes off of Kia. It's for a Kia Rio or a Kia Sedona. As you can see, it resembles that like circular shape. So if you're gonna get the socket, I'm gonna recommend you get these. I think 2 of them cost like $12. And then the one that's supposed to be for the Kia Forte, this 92164M7000, is they always send like these bulky square ones which just don't fit. All right, so yeah, I would recommend you just get the OEM sockets. And then as far as the connector, because I couldn't find an OEM connector, usually they just try to sell you the entire harness. But for the OEM connector, I would get that first picture of the red one I got. With the red wires. All right, because when you look it up, they always try to send you like different connectors that just always look bulkier. And then here at the end, I'll provide this schematic of the wiring for the turn signals on both sides. And like I said, again, I couldn't find the connector pinout where it'll say like number 1 is your brown wire, and then number 2 is your black or whatever. I couldn't find that. So then that's the reason I'm making this video, to show where those wires are actually supposed to go. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.